Here I have a 2026 Tundra, and I'm going to show you how to remove the emblems. This one's already been blacked out. It was removed and then painted with Plasti-Dip, but it's a very easy process. There is no adhesive on these emblems. Go ahead and get yourself a trim pry tool or a flathead taped up with painter's tape so you don't make any scratches. Get behind the emblem and then give it a little push out. Oop. And you can see the emblem pops right off. There you go. The pressure points where you want to focus on are these two areas here and the bottom. The top is just an alignment hole. So you can see here is the emblem. Top is an alignment hole, and then there's clips on the left, right, and bottom. So technically when you pry up from the center, you don't want to apply too much pressure. You want to really be applying from these points. You want to be pulling from these points here. And then you can paint your emblem. Make sure you just line up that, and then it just clicks right back into place. Super easy, guys, really quick. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for car videos, specifically on this Tundra. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.